welcome to another episode of That Sounds Holy.
So as you have heard, and as you can see, we have a new guest today. Hello, Pao.
Hello.
We are the Powerpuff Girls.
Ako si Power.
Powerpuff.
Kala ko si Mojo Jojo.
Ayun, kaya siya wala dito.
Anyway, so yes, we have a guest today. Welcome to That Sounds Holy, Po.
Thank you for welcoming me. Ay, okay, sorry. Hello.
Alam mo, sa kanya ako first na experience na hindi sa atin tinanong kung kailan siya mag-guest. Nakita ko lang na tinatanong siya, kailan ka mag-guest?
Actually, nakita ko din. Kaya nung nag-iisip tayo ng guest, ako parang, you know what? Let's give that random person on the internet a voice.
Yes. So dahil sa'yo, kung sino ka man, nandito si Pao.
It's your fault. Joke lang.
Grabe, parang ayaw
Joke
mo,
lang po. Thank you,
And
thank
that's
you.
all for this episode.
Yes. Okay, so before we start and go on into our very interesting topic for today that none of us struggle with at
What
all,
is
by the way. what is that? Anyway, so Pao, can you introduce yourself to our donuts, our friends,
Here
and
daw.
acquaintances?
Hi, everybody. I'm Pauline Guevara. You can call me Po or Pao kahit anong gusto niyo kahit anong gusto niyo. Kahit anong gusto niyo.
Pwedeng Karen. Ganun.
Pwede rin naman. Kahit ano nga. I'm one of the worship leaders at the feast, and I've been serving since I was 11 years old. So, and now I'm 23. So, yeah, it's been 13 years in ministry. That's a long time. And yeah, that's me.
What
Yeah.
are you busy with right now?
Aside from ministry.
Aside from ministry. Just last week we did a pop-up.
You did?
Yes! We did! And we love matcha.
Yeah,
I love
masarap yung
matcha.
matcha nila, guys.
Speaking of matcha, we have matcha here. Oh, sorry, Ate Banya.
So for the
It's
for the
hers.
past few weeks, we've been drinking coffee
A
from
potion.
James, who is in the studio. Hi, James, who is in the studio. Our
Hi, Jay!
source of coffee.
Shy pala si Jay.
Source of coffee. But today, we have another sponsor who is also our guest. This is your
We have
business,
a
right?
Yes.
new sponsor and our first live audience.
Totoo. Totoo talaga. Naabutan mo yung pa-win off na yung caffeine. So, let's see where this goes. But Pao, this is your business.
Yes.
Wow.
It's called Nakama Matcha. And Nakama means companionship, fellowship. Yeah. And from there, you can conclude that I'm an extrovert. But I claim to be an introvert. Yeah. What
So
do you think?
extrovert ka talaga.
I don't know. When I took the test, it says that I'm an introvert. But I feel like I'm an extroverted introvert.
I
If-
think so too.
Yeah. Yeah.
I think you're a very social introvert.
Yeah.
Uh,
Yeah.
I'm not.
You No, I think you are.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you
No,
are.
I'm not.
Anyway, so we'll continue that later. Let's find out who is and is not. But thank you, Pao, for being here and for bringing very good matcha. Sarap, sarap.
Very, very good
Yeah.
matcha.
I think
Thank you.
they had a pop-up
Oh, yeah.
last week, you know?
Last week, yeah.
And there, I saw like a cinnamon matcha.
Cinnamon.
So yun
matcha.
yung sinasabi mo kanina na you've been dreaming about.
Yeah, it's so good. Hindi ko in-expect na parang, kasi diba, yung matcha kasi diba parang lupa daw, yung, yung lasa, sabi nila. Tapos,
Sabi nila, aka ni Ayo. The matcha hater.
later. Tapos diba yung cinnamon has also a very earthy taste. Tapos ako parang, grabe, lupa and lupa. Ano kaya yung lasa nito? Pero ang sarap, grabe. At least for me, I love like earthy taste.
Right.
Yeah. Anyway, so today, we're gonna answer, since Pao is here, we're gonna answer a question
Very
that
light question.
that might or might not have an answer today. We're just gonna
We'll
discuss.
find out.
So there was a question. It said, was there a period in time where you guys felt intense unworthiness that led you to stop serving? And how do you go back from that feeling? Yeah. Parang wala naman. For
Yeah,
me,
so,
wala
yeah.
talaga.
So that's all for this episode. We go.
Okay. So, yes.
Yes, Pao.
Ako agad?
Ikaw guest eh.
Sabi sa'yo, pili ka na lang kung ikaw mag-moderate o ikaw mag-guest.
Taga-tanong lang ako eh. Akin na nga yan.
Sige.
Unti-unti na ngang lumalabas yung tunay niyang kulay.
Oo, last na rin niya to.
Okay, uy, sumagot ka na podcast to eh.
Hindi,
Tawa?
parang may ano na eh. Parang may sagot na si Ate Isa.
Hindi, kasi I was gonna
Hindi,
say,
meron na.
sige, meron na. I was gonna say nga na parang sobrang timely lang din na itong episode na to yan yung tanong na sasagutin natin. Kasi parang lahat tayo, yan yung struggle.
Oh yeah, it's
Yeah.
strong.
Very strong. Which leads me to the conclusion that we have no answer to this question.
We can offer no solution.
No, but that's true. Parang,
Maybe let's invite Tito Bo na lang.
parang every time we serve kasi either pag kami dalawa ni Vanya na mag-uusap na parang, ano ba yan? Ba't ba tayo nandito?
Nagawa natin
Ginagawa natin. Ikaw na lang mag-lead. May mga ganong kaming moments. But also with Pao, I've served with you multiple times that I would catch you crying. And you would tell me the same thing. Na parang, why am I here? Ganon. So, I guess, yeah. So, sakto na ito yung topic today. Reiterating what Vanya said, na we may or may not have a conclusion to this today.
But we have very fun experiences.
Yes.
That maybe we can talk about how we were able to like deal with that heavy question that always
Yeah.
comes up, by the way.
Yeah.
Anyway, so
Yeah.
You wanna
do I press a button for you to answer or something?
podcast?
Yes.
Sorry. Yeah, so like Ate Isa said, every time talaga that I serve, yun talaga yung binabato sa akin ng kalaban. Like, ba't ka nandyan?
Sino
Sino
yung
ka ba?
kalaban? The Devil.
Siya din.
Ako rin pala.
Ako nandito.
Self against self.
Okay.
Yes. For context, I was adopted when I was 4 months old. And for the longest time, dun talaga nanggagaling lahat ng insecurities ko. And grabe, yun agad yung kunento ko, no?
Oh my gosh. Are we okay? Is it okay? We're gonna process.
Ang bilis ng talon.
Okay. Fair enough. Valid.
Valid naman.
Yes,
Go, go,
yes.
go.
Again, whenever I serve, this feeling of like, bakit ka nandyan? Sino ka ba? Pinamigay ka nga eh. Binenta ka nga eh. So parang that feeling of like just being so disposable. Kasi ang dami namang mas magaling kaysa sa akin. Ang daming, well, in my head, parang I feel like there are so many other people more equipped to do what I'm doing. And so, and whenever I feel that, as in, yung tibok ng puso ko, hindi na siya tumitigil. Ay, well, hindi naman talaga tumitigil yung
Sana. Sana nga. Parang lahat kami worried if ever.
No, I mean, like, yung sobrang, like,
bumibilis
yeah,
yung-
bumibilis, yeah. So when panic sinks in, I just try my best to, like, to ground myself and remind myself of why I'm doing what I'm doing. And it helps when you're, like, the way that I see God is like, He's my Father. Even though I don't have a father here on earth. Like, I have a father figure through
Yeah,
Jesus,
yeah.
through God. And so, parang, very visual kasi kami ni Lord, very audible kami ni Lord. So, audible! Never like, the way that we communicate. The way that we
Binabara din niya
communicate.
yung sarili niya. No?
The
We
way
don't
that-
have to do much.
Monologue.
Audible. Very audible.
Yeah. And so, lagi ko lang talagang, like, I run to him as if, like, he's my father. Well, he is really my
Yeah.
father. And so, pag ganon, like, Lord, why? Like, tinatanong ko talaga siya, like, why am I here? And then, he's just gonna hug me through it. Since physical touch yung aking
Yeah,
love.
sobrang physical touch niya, guys. Ako na hindi ako hugger. Pag nakikita ko na siya, nanginginig na ako.
Grabe.
Joke lang.
Sorry
Okay.
na. But, ayun, parang, well, given that we have a father-daughter relationship, he knows how to comfort me. And
Yeah.
even though wala siyang sabihin sa akin, it's just like that feeling of,
Presence.
presence of God, that embrace from Jesus, that comforts me and it pushes me to do what I do.
Yeah.
Hello, ayun na, okay na.
Bea, pero real din tayo kung gaano karaming beses ako mapapalo today.
So, physical touch nga kasi.
Oo nga eh. Yan, paano na yun?
May salon pas ako doon.
Sige, thank you.
How about you guys though?
Sige, let's be completely transparent and very, very, very honest. As much as we appreciate those who look up to us as feast worship, because we do know, we've accepted that role, diba, in feast worship.
Sometimes.
Sometimes. We also are aware of the people who question why we're here.
Oo naman.
We don't pay much attention to it, or we don't let you know that we pay attention to it. But we do.
Wala na ako naintindihan. Pwede mo pa-clear?
Okay, so we are aware that people ask or people have that question na parang bakit sila nandyan?
Yeah, as much as there are people who say na parang, wow, of course it should
Parang
it's you
they
guys
look up
there.
to
Yeah.
us, ganyan.
But there are also people who are like, bakit naman sila?
Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Parang there are other people can do that too. Yeah.
Yeah. And to that I say, same. Kasi, hindi rin talaga namin alam. Alam mo yun, parang yung iba kasi parang sila yung naiinis for us. Na parang, bakit na lang question na ganyan? Pero kami rin kasi talaga, within feast worship, when we're all together, we ask ourselves the same question na, bakit nga ba? Bakit nga ba tayo nandito? Bakit tayo yung tinawag? And I think there's a middle ground to it na we don't really know why we're here and we do feel unworthy because it's still a constant struggle na every time we serve, meron at meron eh. Diba? May bosses talaga na alam mo, dapat hindi ikaw yan eh. Kasi, same with Pao. Ako, I struggle with that as well na ang daming mas magaling. Ang daming mas capable, mas skilled when it comes to leading, when it comes to singing. And, wala eh. Tinawag eh. Alam mo yun, na whenever we get to serve in different platforms, whether it's at the local feast or pag tinawag tayo sa labas and we have to serve in bigger stages. Although there's still that question na, or that feeling na, I'm not supposed to be here because I'm not the best at it. But because I was called to do it, then I might as well do it.
Yeah.
Parang, I don't really have a timeline of until when God's gonna call me here.
Yeah.
So, as much as I can say yes, I will. Because the moment God asks me to step down, then I have to step down. Or I have to be replaced. Kasi hindi yun up to me. Parang ganun. So, I think when it comes to feeling unworthy of the platform we're given or this gift that we've been given na nakakapag-lead tayo, nakakapag-worship tayo together, doon ako umuwi na, yeah, I'm not the best at it. I'm not skilled enough or I'm not as skilled as other people or I do feel unworthy, but because at this very moment, this is where I'm called, then I will say yes. Yeah.
And I think God is not asking us to be
The best.
the best at
Yeah.
it. You're just asking us to be there,
Yeah.
to be present. Yeah.
How about you?
Same lang naman.
Copy paste. So share tayo, Mike.
Hindi, pero ako, may times ako na parang, pag naumay na ako dun sa, dalawa lang naman yung modes ko eh. Pag naumay na ako dun sa parang, why me? It shouldn't be me. Yung iba na lang, mas maganda yung ugali nila. Because as a person, I can get very passionate and mainitin yung ulo ko. And
Talaga?
Stupid! Wait, no! Yeah, so parang, syempre, yung ginagawa natin, paano ba? It hangs heavily on your character also
Yeah.
as a person. There's much to be considered for
Yeah.
that. So, dun ko talaga palagi din disqualifying sarili ko na parang, pangit naman ugali ko. Ba't ba ako nandito? Pero, yun nga, parang, I think one of the ways that like, that question shuts up sometimes is when God puts the focus on the journey of getting here.
Right.
When He makes me remember all the things that I had to go through to be able to be the exact person to speak this thing at this very specific moment.
Yes.
So parang, doon din ako, ang weird eh, humbling siya, pero parang, parang you get this surge of confidence also na parang, you're right, I should be here.
Yeah.
So, kasi para siyang, hindi dahil na, grabe, ang galing-galing ko, sinunod kita, ganun. It was more of like, what He had, all the heavy lifting.
Yeah, lifting.
All the heavy,
All the heavy lifting.
all the Uy,
Kaya,
pakilala
kaya.
ng mga laugh. All the heavy lifting that God had to do for me, such a small person. It was such a,
Siya na nagsabi nun.
it was very heavy. Dalawa tayong consider dito, ba? Bawal ka mag-joke lang ganito. Baka nakakalimutan mo, para tayong umpalumpa.
Height check.
Ano ba to? Hindi, may pagpupuntahan tong episode na to, I swear.
Did
Okay.
the heavy lifting.
All the heavy lifting he had to do because of my stubbornness as a person.
Right.
So, parang grabe talaga yung work na ginawa ni Lord para lang padalhin ako
Yeah.
dito kung saan man. I guess, I also have times when I'm like just, I shouldn't be here. It's such an injustice to the beauty of this whole thing if ako yung nandito and not somebody else who's more deserving. So, it's parang nakakabaliw nga siya eh. Kasi
Yes.
parang minsan paulit-ulit.
Oo. Kasi hindi siya natatapos eh. Parang hindi siya, okay na to, gets ko na to. Wala siyang ganun eh. Parang there are different triggers, there are different moments na bigla mo siyang mafe-feel or maaalala. But I think also the beauty of it is, I don't think it would be as effective if I see, like not just in worship or not just in service, pero pag nakita ko na yung nagli-lead sa akin has it all together, life figured out, alam mo yun, na parang there is also beauty and authority in seeing that this person is going through the same thing that I'm going through. And this person also is heavily depending on God, the way that I am depending on God. So, in that sense then, parang nagkakaroon ng mas may confidence, like what you said, to stand on where we're called. Na kahit hindi ako perfect, kasi we'll never be perfect, and we'll never be worthy. But in that context na knowing na I could be the voice of someone who's struggling with the same thing.
Yeah.
Or I could be the voice of someone who also needs work done in their lives. Yung ganon na, kasi same with you na parang there's so many things that could still be worked on. Like character-wise, skill-wise. But it really isn't up to us.
Yeah. And I think people say na, kunyari, when the devil tells you na parang, you're unworthy, you shouldn't be there. Ganyan. Most of them say, do not argue with the devil. Leave! Leave! may ginagawa ko minsan na parang, kasi 'di ba, mainitin yung ulo ko. So ako parang, oh, you're right. What did you say? What did you say? You said you're right. You know what? Actually, you're correct. I'm unworthy and I shouldn't be here. But my God who is worthy says that I should be here.
Yes.
So what he says goes.
Yes.
So parang, okay.
Compliment dapat yun
okay, sige.
Akala ko puppet.
So may ganun din na parang, you know, this is foolish. You're making this about me. It's not
It's
about
not.
me.
Yeah.
It's about what God says,
Yes.
and let's go with that.
Yeah.
No matter how I feel, maybe, okay, I can whine to the Lord, Lord naman, kasi bakit naman ganito?
Yeah.
But at the end of the day, when He says, I have to.
Right. Right. Yeah, and going back to that, parang it really isn't about us eh. Parang even with
Sorry. Nahulog ako. Someone.
akala ko sinasadya mo na sa sahig ka nakaupo.
Nag-slide.
Parang si Ayo lang to sa last episode.
Ano ba yan?
Okay.
Sorry. But yeah, parang yung naalala ko yung episode natin where I said na parang the worry about worship being pure, na there's that tendency, I realized after na parang yung purity of worship also, my worry about it was that I've made it too much about me. And it wasn't even, yun yung pagiging sly ng kalaban. Na
Uy,
it
totoo.
wasn't even na parang, ang galing ko. Hindi siya ganun eh. Yung making it about myself was more like, oh no, I shouldn't be doing this. I shouldn't be. And that's still making it about you. Even if it's the other way around. So,
May sabihin ka pa ba?
parang nag-agree ka lang sa amin the whole time.
Hindi, sumagot naman siya.
Sumagot naman ako. Ako lang pinauna nyo.
Oo nga. Sige. Sorry.
So, nasagot pa natin yung how do you go how do you go back from there? From
I think,
stop serving?
yeah, like, was
Yes.
there a point that, ikaw, Pao, was there a point that you actually listened and, like, it stopped
serving?
Siguro, like, hindi naman, like, stop fully. But more on being super hesitant about it and acting out of that hesitation. Na parang, I'm just gonna complain the whole time. Ganon.
Right.
Yeah, but I guess feeling that way helps me a lot as well because it makes me lean and rely on God's
Yeah.
strength and power and grace and love more.
Right.
So, I just try my best to anchor myself in God's love and God's grace whenever I feel like stopping, whenever I feel like saying no. So yeah, that's my,
So, hesitation.
yeah, more on hesitation.
Yeah. Ikaw ang alam ko na. Back to you, Vanya. Si Vanya parang,
Step back.
siguro in a year, makakatatlong conversations kami na, parang alam mo, hindi alis na lang ako kasi hindi, alam mo, mga tatlo yan. Nung una, nagpapanik pa ako eh. Na parang, ano ka ba? I don't think that way. Mga ganun pa ako. Siguro ng mga pang-apat na beses na parang, alam mo, pag-isipan mo na lang. Magdasal ka na lang siguro.
Hindi, yung wag na lang kayo mag-scroll. Dasal-dasal na. Hindi, pero kasi, I think there are a couple of things that the enemy always points out to me na parang, wag ka na mag-serve kasi, number one, sorry. Ako talaga, relationships are very, very, very important to me. And, pag yan, pinagdiskitahan, dun talaga ako na disorient. Dun ako parang nawawala talaga sa disorient. Yeah. So, when the enemy points out to me that like, your relationships suck, So, and God is a God of relationships. Sobrang ano niya talaga eh. Sobrang
Yeah.
sly niya talaga sa
Yeah.
mga accusations niya.
Yeah.
Kasi sabi niya sa akin na parang, you look at your relationships, they're in disarray. So, that means that you suck as a person. Parang ganon. So, dun talaga yung attack sa akin. So, I'm like, oh, I'm not good with relationships. Not like but the God that I love is a God of relationships. So what kind of person am I becoming? So he points out the mess to me as something that cannot be fixed.
Yeah.
And is a hopeless case, parang ganon. And I think the second one is like technical skill. You guys know my struggle with exhortations. So, sometimes, pag ako, kunyari, nag-exhort ako, tapos hindi ko talaga alam kung ano sasabihin, dun ako na parang, see, I don't have what it takes to lead people into worship. I don't even know what to say to pastor them in this exact moment. Someone else should be here. I'm just taking the space. Parang mga ganong thoughts.
Yeah.
And I think, parang those two things mostly. So, pag ganon, as in, hindi ko pa rin mahanap yung word na hinahanap ko. So, I get really, ano yung opposite ng encourage?
Discouraged.
Can I remind you that this is our third episode for today?
I think you should drink matcha in one go.
Ay, makato.
Hindi. Panindigan natin to.
Wait, they're gonna discover I'm not that smart.
Back to ano.
Okay, not about me again. So, nadi-discourage talaga ako pag ganun yung accusation sa akin. So, yung immediate reaction is always, let's just stop, leave,
Right.
and like just not serve. Kasi you're not worthy to be served because you're too dirty, too messy,
Yeah.
too under construction. Other people have it more together. So kaya ako tumitigil talaga na parang, okay, edi wag na lang. But I guess what always brings me back is always still God.
Yeah.
Buti na lang.
Sana.
Oo. Even if I'm a servant, my spiritual life has become so part of my regular life, my daily
Yeah.
life. So pag nagsisimba ako, when I look at the scripture, when I go to adoration, the Lord would always be like, you are my daughter.
Yeah.
I love you. I'm with you. I accept you. So, I think recently, in the recent stoppage of service, yung going back to it fully, my prayer has always just been like, Lord, let me know, show me how you see me. Let me know how you think of me. Because
Right.
kung aasa lang ako dun sa validation ng ibang tao, wala, iba-iba din kasi. So it has to really come from God na parang, hey God, what do you think of me? Paano ba ako nakikita?
Yeah.
And from there, parang mas naging overflow na yung service ko. I don't demand much from other people as I used to. And it's more just full of joy.
Yeah.
Because it's not anymore a place where I get validation or
Right.
I mean I wish I did service before wasn't a source of validation, but I'm just a girl. Like
I'm started so young. I mean, all of us
we started so
young.
what do you do with attention?
Yeah.
Who doesn't stumble with that? Even in their minds, alam mo yon. So I guess the rebuilding of it recently has been like, God, this is yours. This
Yes.
season, this era of serving again is totally yours. What is it gonna look like? Tell me. Let's build it together. Parang ganon.
That's so nice.
Kanina pa ako nagsasalita. Ikaw naman. Podcast pala kasi.
Sana nga. Siguro sa akin, parang, I've never really stopped in a sense na, as in, bitaw, tapos wag na. But more of, if yung kay Pao is hesitation, mine is more of like, not taking up space. If that makes sense. Parang, I'd still show up, I'm gonna serve, pero like, bare minimum. Like, hindi ko na lang gagalingan, hindi ko mag-extend ng effort, ganun. So, parang ganun yung nagiging atake sa akin na, okay, serve ako, magsasalita pa rin naman ako, pero parang okay na yan. Okay na yan. Kasi hindi rin naman okay, pag ginalingan ko, wala pa rin naman eh. Parang ganun. So, it looks like that. But going back to what you said kanina, I just realized also na halos sabay-sabay kasi tayo. Nag-start.
We were all there in that Easter service.
Yes, we were teammates.
Shucks, oo nga.
Diba?
13 ka pa lang nun ata.
14.
14.
Yeah.
I remember that because tayo yung magkapalit.
Oo nga!
Ako yung morning session na What a Beautiful Name. Ikaw yung hapon.
I didn't realize that.
Yeah,
Wow.
nakakalimutan mo
Ay,
kasi
sorry.
kami.
Tapos pinakit ka ni Tito Bo sa stage. You know, Pao? She's been serving since she was 11. Hello, Donuts. This conversation took an unexpected turn, so that's why it extended longer than usual, so we had to cut it in 2 parts, but it's a really, really, really good conversation, so we hope to see you in part 2 also.